In this video, we're going to cover how to do a GLM and the model, how to do some model specifications in SPSS when doing a GLM, a general linear model. So let's say we want to understand minutes in terms of various variables, say like income, plan type, gender, various things. Okay, so I'm going to go to Analyze. I'm going to go to General Linear Model, Univariate. And then I'm going to put in gender, it's a fixed factor. Plan type, like a phone plan type. Let's see. Minutes for the dependent variable. Income as a covariate, because it's continuous. And maybe I'll put in one more, an age category, another categorical variable. Okay. So then I'm going to click on Options. I want to see the parameters. I'll click Continue. And then I'll press OK. See, it's doing everything. And one of the things you can see in this, it's doing interaction term. It's doing many interaction terms. Gender and plan type. That's what the star is. It puts in the categorical variables, and then it's doing the interaction between gender, plan type, gender, age category, plan type, age, all the possible interactions. And then you see this, all these parameter estimates given all the interactions. So now we're going to go, I'm going to go back to Analyze, General Linear Model, Univariate. We click on the model. This is the full factorial model. That's the default. But what's possible is you can do a custom model. So let's say I want all these variables again. I still want them. But pretend instead of interaction, maybe I could want all two-way instead of three-way. Remember, the three-way would be like gender, plan type, age category, 3. Two-way could be just gender and plan type, gender, age category, plan type, age category. But let's just do main effects. Sometimes you want a simple model. So I'm going to do custom. I'm just going to do main effects, highlight it, and doing the main effects. And then I'm going to click Continue. And I'll press OK. And what has happened is, you can see now there's only the main effects in the model. And you can see here too, there's no, there's no stars. The stars sort of indicate interaction. All right, and then that's how you would get rid of the interaction term if you want a simpler model. Now you see here's the R-squared 0.763, and the original with all the interaction going up back here, 0.764. For those kind of things, the R-squared about the same. 0.001 difference. It's like nothing. 0.73 is the adjusted R-squared. The adjusted R-squared here is the same, 0.763. So that's like one reason you might want to do that. So yeah, if you want to modify the model in terms of interaction, you click on Model. When you're in General Linear Model, you go to Model. Then you can do Custom, and you can pick what you want, and you would highlight the factors and covariates. Okay, and that's how you would get rid of interaction and change the model in SPSS.